So we got ourselves a 624K. We were working up here in the Dirty Verdi, I like to call it. We got a broken scraper. That's the D8. D8's fine. We got a D6 we got to do some work on. But it is cold, very windy, and they talked to me about this machine, and we took a video of it earlier of it running. They said that they thought the engine was shot. It actually runs pretty decent. It is making an absolute mess inside the engine compartment. Coolant's coming out of the exhaust and running down over the top of the valve cover and just running everywhere. You can see that the stack's wet. But I looked at it and it's got an EGR cooler. So we are going to yank the turbo and exhaust manifold out of here, get to that EGR cooler, and we're going to try to pressure test it ourselves. But this machine's got more problems. The articulating pins, the bearings, bushings are destroyed. As you can see, that pin is pretty narrow going down into it, and I told them don't operate because if it breaks, bad news. So we got the line boring guy. He sent over a quote. I just need approval from them, and then we'll get this machine split in half and get that all fixed up. But for now, yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on this, and we'll see what happens. All right, so this is where we stand. We got the manifold out, turbo out, EGR cooler out, and as soon as we popped a couple of them gaskets that restart back to the intake, it was dumping. But yeah, here she is. I'll go look at the EGR cooler. Don't mind the blue goo. Porta potty fell over because of the wind, but we got it plugged off right here. Colin's pressurizing it. I'm not sure if you could hear it.
See it, it's popped right here.
Gatorade. Yep, there it is, bubbling inside the cooler. So engine's not blown, but the EGR cooler is. But yeah, here we are. Absolutely beautiful out. Wasn't when we got here, but I think all that's going to be coming our way. Here's a picture of Colin. Here's a service truck we picked up a couple months ago. I think it's pretty sweet. And the old dirty 6.0, the most reliable diesel engine ever made. The thing's got 270,000 miles on it and runs about 150, 200 miles a day. But yeah, so we'll get some parts ordered and we'll be back to do an install. Let's start raining. Where? Probably need to plug all these frickin' holes on this thing. Oh my god, you almost died.
You taking this EGR cooler?
No, I'm just gonna leave it in the trailer here. We don't need it. It's probably gonna be cheaper just to fix it. Or buy a new one versus attempting to fix it. Damn it! I don't want to carry this thing. You wanna grab the other side of that?
Where are you putting this? Conex?
Yeah.
Not Conex. Trailer?
Whatever the hell it is. My hammy. Go further back with it. These guys will use it as a freaking wheel chock out here for one of the scrapers. Yeah. We gotta plug that up too. Shove rags in the turbo. Wet rags. Gotta grab the coolest tool in the box we own, crescent wrench. I bet you if we start it now, we plug that oil feed, bet you it wouldn't smoke anymore like that.
What'd you do with that fucking butt plug?
I put it in my box.
I need it
Oh, you need it?
for the turbo drain.
Oh yeah, good idea. Got any ID? Got any ID? About
ID.
what? Damn it.
Yeah.
Engine's blown.
Well,
I'd plug those.
what?
The exhaust manifold for
You
that.
better go get me 8 rags.
I'll get you 8 rags. Shit, we saw the wind earlier and the rain was blowing sideways. Like in Forrest Gump, the rain even started coming upside down. Oh. Do 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 do. Yeah, this engine's on the rag.
Yeah.
Dude, what is this? It's like the world's most uncomfortable t-shirt.
Give me that. John Deere can wear it. All right.
Go plug that turbo. Yep, it's starting to rain. Disconnecting that battery.
Trying to. Someone already did me a favor and broke it off.
Stripped it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I probably had to grab some vice grips. Where's the battery at in this thing? There's Tim, man.